Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I wanted to share with you a few artificial intelligence agents that are available in production today, and you can go ahead and test them out just to give you an idea of what's available out there and how powerful these AI agents could be. So the first one is going to be here. If you go to Google Gemini, and Gemini is the equivalent of ChatGPT, for example. And if you go ahead and click on tools, there is the ability here to run what we call it a deep research. And this deep research is basically an AI agent that can go search the internet. So it has access to tools. It's going to go find different resources for us. It's going to come back. It's going to read these resources, reason through them. It's going to go back again, do additional search, and keep doing that back and forth. And then it's going to come up with an amazing report that will be generated at the end. And what this AI agent as well is going to do, which is mind-blowing, it's going to basically summarize the results in a website. And it's going to show us as well that website at the end. So let me show you how we are going to test those. So here I included a prompt here, an example prompt. I'm going to say, you are a PhD researcher specializing in, let's say, the electric vehicle industry. And you would like to take a look at all the available battery companies as an example. So I want you to conduct an in-depth review of emerging EV battery technologies. And here I'm giving it an example of what kind of areas to look for, let's say solid state batteries. Here, for example, we are giving it an output, which is to deliver a detailed briefing report that includes the technology name, all the breakthroughs or innovation as well, and also the company associated with that innovation. So really all you need to do is to copy that prompt, and please note that I'm going to include all these different prompts as well here in the course package. So you can just paste it here and click run. And what you see right now is that this artificial intelligence agent, it's going to create a plan. So it's gonna take a look at the goal. It's going to break it down into a series of tasks, and then it's going to go and execute on that task. So here we go. So I was gonna tell you, this is the plan. So it's gonna say, okay, I'm gonna conduct a broad scan of the EV battery technologies. I'm gonna do a deep research on solid state batteries. And you can see all these different tasks. And if you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click start search. And you can go ahead and edit the plan as well, maybe if you're not happy with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say start research. And now it's gonna take around 5 to 10 minutes. And this AI agent basically is going to go, it's going to search the internet. And you should be able to see right now all the different sources that the agent is actually doing and looking up. So here we go. So now it researched all these different websites. It opened YouTube, for example. It opened a ton of journal papers here, like MDPI, you can see it here. And I would say this is kind of superhuman capabilities, because us humans, we won't be able to go and read all these different sources in a fraction of a second. But here with AI agents, you can 10x or even 100x your productivity. And now it's going to combine all that knowledge and maybe see, maybe I need to do more research. And that's the idea of an artificial intelligence agent that is going to go reason, read more sources, research additional websites, and come back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I will be back when the agent research is complete. All right, so here we go. Now take a look at this incredible report that has been generated by our deep researcher agent. So here you should be able to see a actually very well written report. If you keep going down, you should see all the different technologies, such as solid state batteries, for example, lithium metal batteries. And if you keep going down, you should see a nice table that summarizes all the different companies and technologies as well. So here we go. So here we got the technology name, all the different key players, and showing you as well the cycle life, the material cost and availability. And this, I would say, would have taken maybe like an expert consultant, maybe a day or more, to be able to come up with this summary for you. But it doesn't stop there. What's incredible about these AI agents is now you can go ahead and ask it to create a web page or a website basically out of that report. So if you go ahead and click on web page, what you see right now is Google Gemini is going to start writing code to build a website to summarize the results of that AI agent and also will be able to deploy it as well. So let's wait and see. So now we should see the agent basically here writing a code for front here page. So here we go. So this is the agent being is writing these code scripts, and look at how fast this is happening right now. And it's trying to kind of present the summary of that report for us. So look at this, it's actually pretty super powerful. And look at this incredible report that has been generated here for you. So it's giving you an overview of the EV battery horizon. It's giving you a summary here as well. If you keep scrolling down, you should see a summary here of all the technologies, all the different technologies, comparing as well here the energy density. And it's also interactive too. You can go ahead, click on all these different icons here to see ultra fast charging, key characteristics, circular economy, graphs, and this is the power of AI agents.